Hi, my name is Noah with Photoclam International, and today I'm going to talk to you about Photoclam Meister PTC1641MS tripod. So right out of the bag you get this really nice carrying case, very strong, very durable. It has a front pocket that has instruction manual and some Allen wrenches for some maintenance. And then in the main pocket you get the main tripod, of course. You get a shoulder strap to make your bag easier and more comfortable to carry. You get the extra platform if you want to change the platform on the tripod. And you get a set of spikes to replace the rubber feet on the bottom of the tripod. And I will talk to you more in depth about each of these things in a later video. Alright, so I will show you how to change the rubber foot with the metal spike that comes within the red box. So to remove the rubber foot, you simply unscrew by turning it counterclockwise to the left. You remove it, and you take the metal spike and the metal washer goes in between the spike and the tripod leg, and you simply screw it in by turning it clockwise. To make sure it is tightened all the way, you take this special tool and you slip it over here. It fits over the edge of the spike. You can tighten it that way. And that's how you can put it on. There's also a little rubber cover. I'm going to remove the spike, you simply undo that process. So you can put the tool over, loosen it, remove the spike and the washer, and replace it with the rubber foot. So each tripod comes with 3 spikes, so you can replace them for all of them. Put these away for now. And that's it for now. In the next video I will show you how to change the platform and how to remove the center column. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm going to now show you how to remove the center column and replace it with the platform for your tripod. But before I begin, I would like to mention that this is the Photoclam Meister PTC1641MS tripod. This is a carbon fiber tripod. However, it is not your standard carbon fiber. This is Photoclam's ultra-high modulus carbon fiber. That means it's up to 3 times stronger than your standard carbon fiber tripod. It makes it very lightweight, very durable, and that leads to a much sturdier tripod, so you can use it in windier conditions and have a much more stable platform for your camera. So, to begin, in removing the center column, you're going to unscrew this hook at the bottom by turning it to the right, place that aside, and then you're going to turn this top part counterclockwise to the left all the way, until it's free, and you can just simply remove it just like that. Then you take your platform and you screw it into place. Just finger tighten it. Do not put too much force because there's actually a bolt that is right here that will help keep the platform secure. So once you finger tighten it, you take the Allen wrench and you turn it clockwise to the right until that is tight, and that will keep it nice and secure so you can't unscrew it anymore. And then you take this little black tube and underneath it you screw it onto the bottom of the platform. And the reason we do that is because you can then reattach the hook by screwing it in clockwise. And the purpose of this hook is to put a bag or a weight to further stabilize your tripod. And To replace the center column, we simply reverse this whole process. You can start by unscrewing the hook. Set it aside. Unscrew the little black tube. Take the Allen wrench again, and this time loosen the bolt by turning it counterclockwise to the left. And then we can unscrew the platform. To put it back, you line up the center column with the rest of the tripod, and you simply put it back inside and tighten it by turning it clockwise to the right until it's nice and secure. And then you can finish by putting in the bottom hook, which can be tricky upside down. There you go. There you go.